As a Collibra customer, we invite you to join our certified Data Citizens user groups. User groups are virtual, customer-led meetups designed for networking, collaboration, and knowledge sharing. There are industry-specific groups like financial services, healthcare, insurance, and higher education, regional groups from Chicago to Canada, the UK, the DACH region, and more, and topic-based groups that cover emerging trends like AI governance. Why join a user group? Get practical solutions you can apply immediately, build stronger networks with peers, and strengthen your product knowledge with innovative ways to maximize the value of Collibra. These groups aren't just about Collibra. They're about advancing the entire data industry. We hope you'll join us. Visit the Collibra Community to learn more.